Morning students, today we are going to solve the numerical part of light energy. So the first numerical is, in this lesson there are two formulas based on which numericals are there. First is focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. This is the first formula where focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature, and the second formula is refractive index is equal to speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. So two formulas, and based on these two formulas only numericals are there. The first numerical is, if the focal length of a concave mirror is 14 centimeter, we have to find radius of curvature. So given is what? Focal length is 14 centimeter. To find radius of curvature, which we don't know. So solution is radius of curvature is twice of focal length. Okay, because focal length is half of radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is 2 into focal length. So 2 into 14, that is equal to 28 centimeter. So this is the radius of curvature, that is 28 centimeter. Understood all of you? Now next numerical. The radius of curvature of a given concave mirror is 22 centimeter. So radius of curvature is 22 centimeter. We have to find the focal length of the mirror. So focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. So focal length is half of radius of curvature. So what is radius of curvature? 22 divided by 2. It comes out to be 11. The unit is, as it is a length, the unit is centimeter because radius is given in centimeter. Therefore here also it will be centimeter. So focal length is equal to 11 centimeter. So this is the second numerical of the exercise. Let's see the next one. If the focal length of a convex mirror is 12 centimeter, we have to find the radius of curvature. So focal length is 12 centimeter and we have to find radius of curvature. So radius is twice of focal length. This is small f. Focal length is denoted by small f. So radius is 2 into f. So 2 into, what is the focal length? 12 centimeter. So 2 into 12, therefore radius of curvature comes out to be 24 centimeter. We have seen this in the diagram, okay, where if this is the spherical mirror, this will be the center of curvature. This distance is radius of curvature, and radius of curvature ka half hota hai focus, where you have to find focal length. This is the pole of the mirror, for example. Ye pole hota hai. So focal length is always half of radius of curvature. This we have studied in the ray diagram. So therefore focal radius of curvature is twice focal length. So 2 into 12 is 24 centimeter. Numerical is also based on the same concept, where the given radius is 30 centimeter. We have to find the focal length of the convex mirror. So focal length, radius of curvature is 2 of focal length. So focal length is half of radius of curvature. So r upon 2. R is what? 30 centimeter. Our radius of curvature is 30 divided by 2. So it comes out to be, focal length comes out to be 15 centimeter. Let's move to the next numerical. Here, the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have to find the refractive index of glass. So pay attention, what is the concept? Suppose this is air medium, this is glass medium. The light is coming from rarer medium and it is going into the denser medium. So it bends towards the normal. तो यहाँ पे air medium में speed कितना है? 3 into 10 raised to 8. And in the glass medium it is 2 into 10 raised to 8. यहाँ पे glass medium it is mentioned in the numerical. So it is 2 into 10 raised to 8. So when light goes from air to denser, rarer to denser, that is air to glass, with what amount it has bent, that we have to calculate. इसका मतलब क्या? हमें refractive index calculate करना है. The amount with which the light ray bend when it goes from one medium to another medium is nothing but refractive index. So refractive index is, the formula is speed of light in air अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास. हमेशा याद रखो, ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में हमेशा एयर होता है एंड द मीडियम, अनदर मीडियम इज इन ग्लास, और एनी अदर मीडियम इज ऑलवेज in the denominator. So speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. Speed of light in air is a constant value which is always fixed 3 into 10 raised to 8. तो न्यूमेरिकल में अगर वैल्यू नहीं दिया है तो हमेशा 3 into 10 raised to 8 ही लेना है. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 is speed of light in air which is given, and speed of light is glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8. So ये 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 will get cut. 3 divided by 2 comes out to be 1.5. Refractive index has no unit because it is, ये मीटर पर सेकेंड था, ये भी मीटर पर सेकेंड है, तो ये यूनिट्स भी कट हो जाते हैं. इट इज रेशियो ऑफ सेम क्वांटिटी, सिमिलर क्वांटिटी. देयरफॉर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स विल नॉट हैव एनी यूनिट. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला and understand the numerical. And refractive index has no unit. Speed of light का unit होता है मीटर पर सेकेंड, but refractive index is the ratio of same quantities, therefore it has no unit. So this is 1.5 is the refractive index of glass. The next numerical, the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and the refractive index of water is 1.33. We have to find the speed of light in water. Okay, तो हमें रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दिया है, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर भी पता है. वी हैव टू फाइंड स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन ग्लास. सो 1.33 is the refractive index is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 is speed of light in air divided by speed of light in water. Actually this is water. Okay, this is water. So speed of light in water is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8, ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. This will go this side and this will go in the denominator. This will go in the other side numerator में. So speed of light in water is 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1.33. So 1.33 3 को 1.33 से डिवाइड किया तो it comes out to be 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 as it is. Always speed is in the unit into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Don't forget to write this 10 raised to 8. Okay, इसको लिखना नहीं भूलें क्योंकि हमें 1.33 से ही सिर्फ 3 को डिवाइड किया है. This remains as it is. So into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is 6 numerical.